Okay, I will show you how to use my FX system and auto trading. So, real-time market, we have a buy position on gold. On FX system, we have a buy position because of this arrow signal. Arrow up means buy. We enter a trade here and we secure profit, partial profit here. And I will show you the results of the auto trading, no? For example, we're gonna see the result on pound USD 1 hour time frame. So date is this May to June. So we will use a 1.0 lot size for this result, no? So I will show you. Okay. So this is the ongoing trades. Okay. Let's pause the trade and see the result. So for example, we have a buy position, arrow up. As you can see, this buy position, arrow up. We enter a buy trade because of the auto trading of the EA. We enter a buy trade and we exit here on the opposite signal. You can see the blue line, that's the where we exit a trade. So we enter position and exit position and we secured profit of 440 US dollar. So it's automatic trading, no, based on the FX system buy and sell signal. So let's continue. So let's continue to trade. So we can see we have a sell position here. Let's see the result. So arrow down means sell position. The EA or auto trading will enter a sell position here. And we can see the red line, we exit here. We sell and exit trade, and this is the result of the auto trade is 689 US dollar. And we have a small loss, $7. So we can see the small loss here. We sell and exit. So let's continue the trade. So we will see the result of the trade. So we have sell position here. We can see sell position. So let's pause. So we can see the result. We sell position, sell signal, arrow down, enter sell position, and we exit here. And this we have small losses here with high accuracy for trading, no? So let's see, pause. So we have a buy position here, enter buy position, and we exit position here. That's almost 600, almost 693 profit. We are using one lot size. Okay. So that's the end of the result of our trading, auto trading. So we can see the arrow up, arrow down, sell signal, and buy signal. So we have buy position, entry, then exit trade. So let's check the statistic of the result. So this is the graph. So with one lot size we gain 2,000 US dollar profit. With a drawdown 6%. I will This is the profit. This is our capital, example capital. 10,000 US dollar, profit 2,000 USD. Drawdown is 6%. So that is the result of the auto trading using arrow up, arrow down, buy and sell signal. So that's the result of our FX system auto trading.